I love watching hack videos. Do you? What's up guys, welcome back to LaFilleChic, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Bidisha. Today's video is all about beauty hacks using Vaseline jelly. So let's get started. If I ask you what use can your Vaseline jelly be to your lips, what will your answer be? I'm guessing your answer will be to moisturize your lips. Well, that's true, but you can also use it in a different way. Put some Vaseline jelly on a cotton ball and you can easily wipe away your lipstick with it. Pretty awesome. We all know that the ends of our long hair are usually way drier than the roots, so why don't we use a bit of Vaseline jelly to make them shine a bit more? Yes, it's a temporary solution, but not one all bad. Another super easy one, but a great one for a long day or a long night out. Prep the areas where you spray your perfume with Vaseline before you actually spray it. It does make the smell last a bit longer than usual. Good one for when you want to have some color after a long and tiring day when your face turns pale and you don't have a blush on you. Just mix some Vaseline with your lipstick, rub it on your cheeks, and voila! Yes, I know not everyone will be interested in this one, but for those of you who likes to add a little quirk or love to take cool and trendy pictures, this is just a fun little hack. Get some glitter and paste it on your face with Vaseline to get some cool shots for your Insta. Selfie geeks out there, this is a great one to add some spice to your pictures. That's all for today. Comment below if you'll be trying out any of these hacks, and if so, which one or which ones. I would love to know. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share if you think this video will be useful to anyone. And I'll see you in the next video. So for now, bye.